Piketty's work on inequality has been a great source of inspiration. He's been very influential in a lot of debates on inequality, and one of the areas he's focusing on is the returns to different factors of production. And this relates to one of my areas of research, which is documenting and investigating the causes of labor market polarization. This man has certainly been an inspiration to me. I urge you to read his work.
Thanks very much. I of course read this book on historical inequality, which drew a lot of attention to the research field. It also greatly inspired my own research, where I look at the historical roots of long-term inequality trends in Africa. That's a geographical region that Piketty does not study at all, and it's crucially important for the world today because the region hosts currently some of the most unequal countries. Handing over the book to Herman.
Capital in the 21st century. Well, this is one of the most important publications of Thomas Piketty. He has placed the topic of inequality again on the world map. We ourselves here in Groningen are also working on this topic. Lately I finished a paper together with Maria Gomez-Leon, a postdoc of mine, where we tried to estimate new distribution levels for big industrial nations like the United Kingdom and Germany. And this way we also added to the growing literature on inequality thanks to Thomas Piketty.